Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making some buffalo wings.
Nice little brownie, nice little island thing. Teeth white when my smile and thing. Summer ads on my solo. Like the man panda polo. Time for get a island thing right now.
So the first thing that I'm starting out with is the chicken wings that I already cleaned and washed with vinegar. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. So the first thing I'm using is garlic salt with parsley, black pepper, chili powder, cayenne pepper, some slap your mama Cajun seasoning. I finally got my hands on some Maggi chicken seasoning, as well as some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the seasonings in. All the measurements is gonna be down below in the description box for you guys to follow along. So once I have all my seasonings in, I'm gonna go ahead and just rub everything all together. Just massage all the seasonings into the wings. So once the wings are all seasoned, this is how it's looking. You can go ahead and just put it in your refrigerator to marinate overnight if you'd like. But if you are pressed for time, you could give it about 20 minutes at least to chill in the refrigerator, and then you can start your process of frying them. So I have some oil getting hot in this wok. You can use a frying pan if you'd like. You can use a skillet. But this is what I'm using today because I find that it actually gets the wings done really nicely. Right here I have a bag with some flour in it. This is a Ziploc. You can use a regular plastic bag if you'd like, a clean one obviously, or you can use a dish to add some flour. What you're gonna do is just go ahead and coat the wings to start frying. Close it. And then just fluff the wings in it to make sure that it is nice and coated. So once the oil is hot enough, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just place the wings in there to fry. I just basically shook off the excess flour and I'm gonna add it in. So this is how the wings are looking. I'm just gonna allow them to start getting crisp a bit, and then once they get golden, I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over to the other side. So we're gonna give this about 5 to 7 minutes to see what it's looking like. Basically, you're gonna fry it until it is golden brown to your preference. Okay, so this is how the wings are looking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just start turning them over. As you can see, they are getting done really nicely, getting really golden. This is how I want them to look. So we're just gonna fry them until they are all crisp throughout. And yeah, once they're all fried, I'm gonna remove them and add in the second batch. Before I remove the wings, I'm basically just shaking off the excess oil. So I'm just adding in this next batch of wings. Same thing I did before, just coat them in the flour, shake off any excess flour, and then just add them in. The same process as before. We're gonna allow these to fry, get nice and golden brown, and then we're gonna flip them over to the other side. So these are almost done. Just gonna give it another 5 minutes and then I'm gonna take them out the oil. Okay guys, so the wings are all done. So this is how the wings are looking right now. I can definitely go ahead and leave them like this and eat them just nice and crispy, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some wing sauce because this is a buffalo wing recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the buffalo sauce that I'm gonna be using today. So this is the wing sauce that I'm using today. It is the medium wing sauce that I got from Walmart. It has a really nice taste and I really like it. So the spice level on this sauce is a 2, which is a medium. I wanted to get hot, but this is the only one I saw, so medium it is. Actually, it does have a kick to it and it's really good. So I'm gonna pour some of the sauce in this container. I'm gonna take the wings and just add them in here. I'm gonna cover it, basically shake it to toss them in the sauce. As you can see, they are nicely coated with the wing sauce. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add it to some foil paper to put it in the oven. I have a few wings left over and I'm just gonna eat them like that, but this is the buffalo wings. So I have the aluminum foil set right here. I'm gonna just place the wings. So these are the wings before I put them in the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes, just for them to kind of stick and harden up just a bit with the sauce. And this is the final results of the buffalo wings. As you can see, the sauce hardened up on it a bit and stuck a little bit more to it. I hope you guys try this recipe and I hope you do enjoy it. If you try it, be sure to let me know in the comments down below how you like it. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one.